Welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. And in today's episode I am going to share with you a sandwich recipe, which is coleslaw chicken sandwich recipe. Basically it is a breakfast recipe and cold sandwich recipe. So without further saying, let's get started and make it. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you get further notifications of my video, and also like, share and comment. So let's get started and do this no cooking coleslaw sandwich recipe. For making chicken coleslaw sandwich, I have taken 6 bread slices here, from which I am going to remove the brown crust using a serrated knife. Just like we get the sandwich in the market or shops, we are going to do the same way. I am using triangular shaped bread here, but if you can't find it, you can use normal sandwich bread and cut them into triangles. Now I am going to remove the crust from all the bread slices like this. And now they are done. Keep them aside. And it's time to make the stuffing for the sandwich. For that I have taken red and yellow bell peppers and I have thinly sliced them. And here I have taken carrot juliennes, some boiled sweet corn kernels. Next goes in some chicken sausage. You can use boiled chicken or you can omit the chicken if you want to make it veg. Now add grated garlic and some green chilies. You can lessen the amount according to your taste. Now veg mayonnaise, 2 to 3 tablespoons or as required. I like the taste of mayonnaise, so I am going to use more mayonnaise here. And cut the vegetable very thinly because we are not going to cook them. It's coleslaw, so in coleslaw you cut the vegetable as thinly as possible. Now mix them nicely all together so that everything is coated with mayonnaise. Next I am adding salt and pepper according to taste and mix them as well. So it's done. Now all you need to do is place the stuffing over the bread slices and be generous while you are adding the stuffing. So this is a very quick breakfast recipe or tiffin recipe for your kids. All you need to do, just cut some vegetables and throw some mayonnaise and peppers and salt and you are good to go. Within like 5 to 10 minutes it's done. Your breakfast is ready. So all of them are done. Now I'm going to serve it on a plate like this. Place them nicely and then just garnish it with a sprig of coriander and your breakfast sandwich, chicken coleslaw sandwich is ready. Doesn't it look so delicious yet healthy? So if you like the video, do like, share, comment and also subscribe to my channel.